Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. And in this video I will show you how you can get rid of these annoying notifications from Google on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Now if you go to watch settings and you go to notifications, go to app notifications, you won't find Google here because the notifications are not mirrored from your phone. Instead, what you need to do is go to your phone, go to Galaxy Wearable, scroll down and go to watch settings. Go to notifications, go to app notifications here, and here you'll have the mirrored apps that you'll find on your phone, on your watch as well. Scroll down and now scroll a little bit down and you'll find Google and Google Play services. Deactivate them and now you won't have any notifications from Google or Google services on your watch. This will still be here, but you go here and click on clear all. Now you got rid of all notifications, especially the annoying ones from the Google and Google services. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.